Hello, friends. Once again, welcome to my channel Medicines for Life. Thank you for your support for all my videos in terms of your likes, subscription, and share. Today's my topic is testosterone. Before going to the topic, I would like to give some brief introduction about my topic. Friends, today I would like to discuss about the most vital male hormone, that is testosterone. Why it is so important for male? Let's discuss. In males, testosterone plays a key role in the development of male reproductive tissues such as testes and prostate, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle and bone mass and the growth of body hair. In addition to this, testosterone also involved in the overall health, well-being and prevention of osteoporosis in men. Testosterone also included in the World Health Organization essential medicine list, which are the most important medicines needed for the basic health care support. Let's move on to the second part of my topic, that is the effect of hypo and hypertestosterone in men. In human body, the testosterone is mainly produced by the Leydig cells of testes under the influence of luteinizing hormone LH. Almost 95% of men's testosterone is produced by Leydig cells. According to FDA, the normal level of testosterone ranges from 300 to 1000 nanogram per deciliter. There are several symptoms which are associated with hypo and hypertestosterone levels. Let's talk about hypertestosterone symptoms such as acne, that is excessive body hair, blood pressure changes, sexual health impairment, anxiety and depression. The symptoms of hypotestosterone includes loss of body hair, loss of muscle mass, tired and weakness, obesity, and finally erectile dysfunction. Let's see the treatment for hypertestosterone levels. The treatment for hypertestosterone depends upon the cause, but generally includes medication or lifestyle changes like glucocorticoids, metformin, spironolactone. Hypotestosterone treatment includes pellets and injections of testosterone, oral therapy for testosterone, gels and skin patches of testosterone. The normal level of testosterone ranges from 300 to 1000 nanogram per deciliter of sample. As per the Harvard University study, these levels are subjected to change depending upon the age of the person. In this list, you can see the testosterone hormone levels are showing a decline, which is depending upon the age of the person. This decline is drastic in people who are over 60 years of age. In this final section of my topic, I will be discussing about the foods which are rich in testosterone and precautions you need to take before taking a testosterone supplementation. There are many vegetarian sources of foods to boost your testosterone levels naturally, like avocados, nuts, bananas, soya beans, broccoli, ginger and pumpkin seeds. In case if you are thinking of the alternate source of testosterone like medicines, then you need to keep in mind certain precautions, like if you are allergic to testosterone and drug interaction. There are many drug interactions which are associated with the testosterone co-medication, so you need to be very careful. Nowadays, various gym supplements comes with higher dose of steroid hormone like testosterone to boost the muscle mass. It is not at all advisable to use these supplements without the consultation of a doctor, as it causes severe side effects like blood clot and heart attack. Sometimes it may even cause death. So whenever you are planning to use any of these gym supplements, make sure it is free from testosterone hormone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Medicines for Life for more updates on medicines, natural products and lifestyle. Once again, thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.